Hey, everyone, welcome back to the Hot Skinny Recipe. Today, we're tackling a question that's been making waves. Is Taco Bell making the best chicken nuggets ever? That's right, they've jumped into the nugget game, and we're here to find out if they're worth the hype. Let's dive in. First impressions matter, and Taco Bell's nuggets come in this sleek, vibrant packaging. Look at these golden, crispy bites. They're seasoned with a special blend of spices and served with their signature dipping sauces. They've got a variety of sauces: spicy ranch, chipotle, and of course, their iconic fire sauce. Each one brings something unique to the table. Here's what some of you have been saying about Taco Bell's nuggets. Username says, "These are the nuggets we didn't know we needed." So, are these the best chicken nuggets ever? They're definitely bringing something new to the table with bold flavors and unique sauces. If you're a fan of Taco Bell's signature style, these nuggets are a must-try. Have you tried them yet? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more foodie adventures, and hit that notification subscribe for more food reviews.